Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to turn on mic on Roblox. First of all, you have to go to Roblox app, open a Roblox app on your device and tap on three dot over here and go to settings, and now tap on privacy option, and in the privacy guys you have to enable the mic. From here you can see the mic. Just tap on this toggle button to enable it. So when you tap on it to enable, it says that this setting allow you to chat with your voice. Just tap on this enable option, and now you can use voice chat feature on the Roblox. So you can open any game that supports microphone as communication. Like if I play this game supports microphone as communication. So let's open it and let's use the microphone in the game itself. Now when you enable the mic in the privacy, you will see the mic over avatar's head. Just tap on this mic over avatar's head to enable voice chat and enable the mic. So now you can talk to anyone in the game using this mic. Yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.